Hi. Is the camera a little too close to my face? Making you a little uncomfortable? All right, we can pull it back now. So do you know why that was so uncomfortable to have my face that close to the screen? It's because there was no margin. There was no extra space on the side of the screen so that your eyes could comfortably focus on my face. Our eyes need margin, and so do we. Margin is simply the extra space left over after what has to be used. Margin isn't just for our comfort, but also for our safety. You probably have noticed that there are these things called guardrails on the sides of bridges and roads where there's not a lot of margin, and they're put in place to keep us at a safe distance from danger. No one thinks, man, here goes the government ruining everyone's good time by keeping us from swerving off the road and killing ourselves. We understand that guardrails are a method of maintaining margin for our safety. I wonder then, why is it that when the God of the universe, who created us and wants to protect us, asks us to maintain margin in our lives, we assume that he just wants to ruin our good time? You see, from the beginning of the Bible, God always puts guardrails in place so that we can develop and maintain margin in our lives. In Genesis, the first book of the Bible, God creates the universe in 6 days, but on the seventh day, he takes a break and rests. He establishes this day as a holy day and declares that everyone should observe this day as a day of rest. Not because God wants us to be lazy or that he wants us to get behind in our work, but because he created us and he knows that we weren't meant to live our lives at full capacity. God later tells the Hebrew people that they shouldn't live on all the money that they make, and that they should set aside a percentage of their income to live off of, not because God wants all your money, but because God knows that we shouldn't live on the edge. God establishes guardrails for our morality, not because he wants you to be miserable and prudish, but because he knows what's best for you. When we live life at full capacity, when we live without margin, we invite stress into our lives. Stress invites temptation into our lives. We all need to ask ourselves, are we living on the edge? Do you run your life in such a way that you don't have time to relax or to focus on God? Is your schedule so busy that God just becomes something that you fit into your life in the last 5 minutes of your day as you drift off to sleep? Do you spend your money before it can even hit your wallet? Do you make every decision based on how close you can get to sinning without messing up? Or do you ask, how can I honor God with all my decisions? Are you living without margin?